In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off location. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Now click on privacy and security available here. And then select location services. Now it's time to use this switcher next to location services at the top right corner to either turn them off. You need to confirm your choice in the pop-up or switch it on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!